you how to do the stem and leaf plot, okay?
Okay.
So let's look at here. No, you can talk, that's fine.
Okay.
So we're gonna do the stem and leaf plot. Okay,
We'll just be quiet. I don't care.
So what do you have to do first? What do you remember?
So
What's the first step?
first, order it from least to greatest.
Yeah, so first of all, we have to write from least to greatest. So we have 4. Yeah, tell me. Then?
After you
17.
have to write the stem and
Wait, so
leaf
first of
plot
all, we have to
and-
write them from small to big, right?
Yeah.
So we have 4, 17,
23,
18,
23,
23,
23,
23,
35.
35. Okay? So that's the first step. What's the second step?
The second step is you write the stem and leaf plot like graph, I guess.
Yeah, so we're gonna make a stem and leaf plot. So we have stem and leaf, right? So our this is the first number, right? That's the smallest number and that's the biggest number. Now for 4, does it have any tens digit?
No.
It doesn't have any tens digit. So I'm going to write here 0. And
One.
35, that's the biggest number, right?
Yeah.
So we're going to write 1, 2, 3. Now for 0, we're going to write 4 because
4.
we just have one 4-digit number.
Yeah.
For 17 and 18, I write here 17. I'm just going to write here 7, okay?
Okay.
I'm not going to write 17.
Because
comma.
there's a 1.
Yeah, so 17, comma,
And then 8.
8. Did you get it?
Yeah. And then
For
the
2, I'm going to
you
write
put
3,
3.
3. And for 35, I'm just going to write 5. So
Okay.
that's it. That's your stem and leaf plot.
Okay.
And then?
Do you understand this?
Yeah.
Yes.
So now let's say I want to know what's the mean. So how am I going to find the mean?
So first you have to add up the 4, 17, 18, 23, and 35.
Yeah, so 4, 17, 18, 23, 23, 35. So how much is it?
The total
Add
is
them up and then tell me what it is. Yeah? So you have, okay, you have 4 plus 17 plus 18 plus 23, 23 plus 35. Altogether, you're going to get 120, right?
yeah.
And you have 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you have 6 numbers. So you're going to divide this with 6, okay?
And that would be 20.
And that would give you 20.
Yes.
So your mean is going to be 20.
And your mode is gonna be.
So if I ask you to find the mode, how are you going to find mode?
You're gonna see the number that repeats the most.
So which one repeats the most?
23.
Yeah, so 23 repeats the most, so that's going to be 23. If I ask you to find the median, what would it be?
Okay,
So, you have
go
to you have to go back to the numbers.
Mhm.
You have to cross out
by 1
by 1.
by 1.
So start at 4,
cross
cross
35.
Well, not really. Just look for the mid number.
The
So
mid
you
number
have
is
here-
18 and 23.
Yeah, so it's
Yeah. Wait, what?
yeah, we have 6 numbers here, which is
It's
even
even.
sets of data. So we're going to take these 2 numbers, okay? These 2 numbers. So 18 plus 23.
You add them.
18 plus 23, we add them. 18 plus 23 is
Is
41. And then you divide this with 2. If you divide this with 2, you would get 20.5.
20.5.
Yeah.
Is that like remainder 5?
That's a decimal.
You can
Involved.
write decimal if you want. Not like remainder if you want.
If you want to write remainder, it's gonna be 2, 0, R1. That's how it's gonna be. If you do it like using a remainder.
Okay.
Okay, so this number, yeah, that's okay. So that's the answer. So that's how you're going to do
Okay.
stem and leaf plot. Do you guys have any question?